Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. I know this recording app doesn't even record my audio for some reason, and I don't like this recording app, so I'm dubbing it. So yeah. So let me show you guys. I have shotgun 8s, Jalen Rackets, and the skin which is through money, and this is totally about $1.07. This took me. And I still have some money left, so make sure to watch till the end to know how to get yourself some money for free. But you will only get about 13 rupees in INR. To know how to do that, make sure to watch till the end. Yeah, not gonna lie, just subscribe and like, that's how you can do it. When I reach 150 or 200 subs, I'm definitely gonna release the gift card code, and I'm gonna give it to one of my subscribers. For sure, trust me. So yeah, I guess let's play some matches. Right? That's what we're doing here. Let's do it. Let's do it! Yeah. Oh my god! Shit, is it alright? Is my...
Everybody knows you throw it on purpose.
No, I didn't, okay.
Okay, are you subscribed?
So, let's do this. And yes, my fracture is alright now, so all the videos are uploaded. Today you're gonna see hide and seek in Mech Arena, kill trap with no mech weapons. And you're gonna see another video which I don't remember. Yeah, I actually don't remember any videos right now. So let's do the match. Oh, I remember this match. ROBLOX was the worst guy. I'm not even gonna talk about it. You guys just see. I'm not gonna talk in this video, just add music editor, please. Thank you. About at the end of the video, I'm gonna talk about something which you guys need to watch. So yeah, editor, continue the music. This is what I've been talking about. My pilots are almost like two pilots are almost at max. I got Jalen Arcades, I got these are the pilots. And make sure to watch till the end because I'm gonna like okay, I'm not you don't watch till the end if you don't want to. Okay, I'm not forcing. Just subscribe, okay? So yeah. To see what the surprises are, make sure to watch Surteja's channel because there's a new mech. But I'm gonna show you guys the end at the last of the video. Like at the peak. Make sure to peel your eyes. If you don't see it, then make sure to rewatch the old video. Because there are hints in between the video as well. And the new pilot is bum 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 bum. Oh, sorry, I need to buy the torchlight. It's a sniper. I don't have a sniper, but my brother has a sniper pilot. One of his, and I'm gonna say that it is like one of the legendaries. So I gave you guys a hint. Make sure to watch it in the video of this. It is in the description box. He doesn't upload videos, so I'm gonna keep his channel. So yeah, let me show you guys the peeky peek. Here's a peeky peek. I did show you guys the weapon and the pilot case and minigun.